All right, you guys, it's that time again. We are jumping into May's Sephora Play subscription. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite girl, A.MaRee. Today we are doing Sephora Play unboxing and seeing what all is in this box. I don't know if I'm still gonna be excited. I'm hoping that I'm still gonna be excited. I know that the very first one was like so, and I don't know if I'm just at that point yet where I'm excited for every month's box. But you guys do know that we're trying to do this for a whole year, and we're gonna, follow up at that 1 year mark and see what everything was about, see if I used any of the products, see if any of the products is still sitting there, and all that good jazz. I know there's been, back and forth about Sephora Play, and I think I said that the last one, but I said I wanted to give it a try, and that's what I'm gonna do. I noticed that I'm assuming every time you get one of these that you get 50 Beauty Insider points, and I'm always here for extra points when it comes down to Sephora. So we're gonna dip in. Here is what the bag looks like. I do kind of like their plastic bags. I think you could maybe use them as makeup bags, but not really makeup bags, but maybe traveling bags for the day. Last month I think it was pink. This month it's red. So before we get into it, you guys already know the deal. I want you guys to hit the like button, click the subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below D4L gang so that I know the love is real. I already see some of the stuff in the bag because the bag is open. And the first thing that I see is this Sol Janeiro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I get this body balm cream that I get in my BoxyCharm. I did also get it in one of my Ipsy bags long before. And I have, been using them. I have one sitting right there in front of me that I use before I record. This one is the Coco Cabana cream, and it is the Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. It's like a hydrating balm. It's sealed, and this is the sample size or travel size or mini size, whatever y'all like to call them. Ooh, it's very coconutty. It smells like a pina colada. Ooh, I don't know how long the smell lasts, but I may not be liking it. Coco Cabana cream is a day cream, and it's exclusive. It says a coconut infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. Let's see how long the smell lasts. Let's see if we still smell it throughout the video. Okay, so the next thing is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. Okay, I think I got this in a sample from Sephora already before. Isn't the Rainforest and the Sea basically old? Like old news? A deep dive makeup removing cleansing gel from Rainforest of the Sea, a brightening daily cleanser that removes waterproof makeup. I wonder if it's old news. I mean, I think I've seen this before in my collection, or I've seen it in store or something. So let's pull out this Bite Beauty Rider Chai lipstick. It looks like this. Now I do like the packaging. What color? Oh, it is chai. Okay, so this is a rich brownie color, which I probably would use. A creamy high impact lipstick in a trendy mauve brown shade. Yes. Okay, so let's try this. But it matches my skin tone very well, and it is very creamy, so I think I will wear that. Okay, it smells minty. So one product that I know that I would like, Partner in Prime, the Lancome Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. Now you guys should know, if you guys are familiar with my channel and you guys watch me, this exact same mascara base is in my Shop My Stash. And I don't remember where I got it from. Most likely in a gift set from Sephora. But I use this on my bottom my bottom lash. I was about to say my bottom waterline. My bottom lashes. So I do know that I like this, and I did say I wanted to buy the full size because it actually really coats my lashes really good and make my bottom lashes look like something. So instead of going to purchase the full size, I have another mini to work through. Okay, so the last two products I'm just like, So one of the products is the Literal Protection Macaronol. It's a leave-in conditioning spray that cares for and protects strands from pollution. Okay. Oh, I had it upside down. I'm sorry, you guys. So it's a spray that protects your hair from pollution, outside pollution. The packaging is really cute. I like that. Of course, it claims to protect you from the pollution, so maybe I'll spray this on my boys' hair and see what it does. I don't think it like will really show anything. Oh, it smells fresh. But for this last product, it says this month's bonus, your fragrance favorite, Victor and Roll-Off Salty Flower Perfume. Oh, shit, it almost touched my lip. Oh, that's not bad. When I hear musky or musk spray, I know it's too strong and it's too much for me. But this one, oh, that smells really good. Like, it smells clean. It does have that musk smell, but it's a good musk smell. Like, I don't know how to explain it. If you guys ever are in Sephora, go check out the Salty Flower. And you guys come back and tell me what you think. So that is everything in this month's Sephora Play. You guys, there's only really, I do still smell the cream, but it's not as potent no more. So the only thing I don't like in the Sephora Play is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel. I am going to use it, but I know it's kind of like old school, so why? Maybe they're trying to give Tarte some sales on that. Maybe that collection didn't do too well. I don't know. So if you guys have gotten the Sephora Play, if you guys purchase it every month, let me know what came in your play bag. But until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, and share with your friend if you care. But I will see you guys in the next one.